Good evening, friends. Welcome to my cooking channel, Dhruv Sagar. As we all know, coronavirus is going on and affecting all the peoples in our country. If our immune system is strong, then only we can fight with coronavirus. If we want our immune system should be strong, then we have to eat healthy foods. In our mind, we think in healthy foods, first dry foods comes. But when our mom gives us dry foods, we say no to dry foods because we don't like it. So today I have a recipe that recipe will solve your mother's problem. That recipe's name is dry food modak. In sound, it sounds like a delicious, yummy and tasty. And in real also it is delicious, yummy, healthy, and it helps you to fight with coronavirus and defeat the coronavirus. I am sure that if you will eat this, you will win this battle by coronavirus. I am sure. So I will tell you now what we need to make this. We need 1 cup grounded dates, chopped walnuts, pista, badam, kaju. All the things should be in 1 tablespoon. An extra plate, modak sancha, an extra bowl. So let's begin to make a healthy, delicious, tasty dry fruit modak that will help us from fighting coronavirus. Remember that. So let's begin. Take the dates, grounded dates into your bowl. Okay. Then all these 4 things, walnuts, pista, badam and kaju, all these things will come here. Okay, this all is empty. Now we will mix it as you know. It is very healthy, tasty, delicious. At home, children also can make this and they can eat. When they will eat, it is so delicious. Your dry fruit atta is ready. You can say this atta also. Take your sancha, modak sancha. Okay, take it aside and take a piece of this atta, and then like you will see laddus no in the market, same shape we have to make. Little changes is okay, but we don't have to make laddus, we have to make modak. Our main purpose is to make modak, not laddus. See, my shape is anything but like a laddu only. Now you can keep here or here, everything wherever you want to put, you can put. See this. Like this, you will press it, fill this side, all the sides, okay, and then close it from this side. Try to press it, and this outer is coming to this, all these things, take out that. Press it again. Take out that. Press it again. Little more is coming. And take out all the extra things from here and then press it. Then again press it hardly. Little more is coming out. Take that also. Okay. Now very lightly and slowly open that. Okay. And very slowly take out that. See, it's come out, but still there is extra some things. So take out that also, extra part. We don't want full modak. If little is outer, then also is okay. Little extra also is sometimes okay. We are not the real chef. Over here chef is sitting and we have to serve like a best thing. It is like we have to eat and then it's gone. Simple. Okay. Now take this and it's here. It is looking like a delicious, healthy, tasty also, no? See? Now, for you, I will make second also. But after that, how much this is will remain, you have to make at your own. Okay? So, please make at your own and do not take help of your mom. After putting the laddu inside this and pressing and taking out all the extra, it will like again like this. It is looking like a delicious, healthy, tasty. I want to eat now, but I have to show also to you, no? Today's your healthy, delicious, tasty dry fruit modak is ready to help you to fight with coronavirus. If this dry fruit modak everyone, whole world will eat, I am sure that coronavirus like this go out. I will give you a slap. Thank you. Eat it and enjoy.